Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe. Today I'm back with another video you do not want to miss before your next trip. Specifically, those not-so-fun TSA rules that always seem to be changing. It is essential to know these rules, so your next trip isn't ruined by delays or unnecessary charges. 2025 is bringing some big changes to airports across the US, and trust me, you do not want to be that person holding up the security line because your ID isn't compliant or your carry-on bag is bigger than a small elephant. We're talking potential for major travel nightmares here, people. Imagine missing your flight because you didn't know about a new rule. Ugh, the worst. But don't worry, your girl Grace is here to break it down for you. Before we go on, please do me a massive favor by hitting the subscribe button to help get to 2,000 subscribers. Now, we're going to dive headfirst into everything you need to know so you can breeze through security like the travel pro you are. So grab your coffee, tea, or maybe even a mimosa. Hey, we're about to talk travel. Might as well get in the mood, get comfy, and let's make sure you're totally prepared for your next big adventure. All right, first up, let's talk real ID. This is something you definitely don't want to ignore. You guys, this is important. It's not just another bureaucratic hoop to jump through. Starting May 7th, 2025, that little star in the corner of your driver's license, it's not just a cute decoration anymore. It's a game changer. It's your ticket to, well, flying. Without it, you might be grounded. If you're 18 or older and trying to board a domestic flight, you're going to need a real ID-compliant driver's license or another acceptable form of ID, like a passport. No exceptions. How do you even know if your ID is real ID compliant? It's a valid concern. Easy peasy. Just look for a star. It might be in the upper right or upper left corner, depending on your state. It's that simple. No star? No problem. But don't wait. You need to act fast. You've got time, but you gotta act now. Procrastination is not your friend here. Head down to your local DMV. I know, the DMV is basically the seventh circle of hell, but it's gotta be done. And get yourself sorted. Trust me, it's worth the hassle. The last thing you want is to roll up to the airport, super excited about your trip, only to be told you can't fly because of your ID. Talk about a mood killer. Don't let this happen to you. And listen, I get it. Life gets busy, we forget things. It's totally normal. But set a reminder on your phone, write it on your forehead, tattoo it on your best friend. Okay, maybe not that last one. Just don't let this sneak up on you. Seriously, make it a priority. Because seriously, you've got way more important things to worry about, like what snacks you're going to bring on the plane. Am I right? Snacks are crucial. Are you ready for this? Because what we're about to dive into is nothing short of revolutionary. We're talking futuristic travel vibes in this chapter. Imagine walking into an airport that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Get ready for mobile driver's licenses, aka MDLs. These digital IDs are set to change the way we travel. Yep, you heard me right. Your phone is about to become your new best travel buddy, even more so than it already is. No more digging through your bag for that elusive ID. So basically, instead of fumbling around for your physical ID at security, you can just whip out your smartphone and verify your identity digitally. How cool is that? It's fast, it's efficient, and it's the future. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real life, people. The future is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Grace, is my state cool enough for this MDL magic? Is this tech available where I live? Well, right now, it's only available in select airports, and states like Arizona, California, and New York are leading the way. These states are pioneering the future of travel. But don't worry, the TSA is totally on board with this whole digital ID thing. So expect to see MDLs popping up at more and more airports throughout 2025. The rollout is happening, and it's happening fast. It's only a matter of time before it's everywhere. Like those oversized sunglasses everyone wears in airports. Soon, Digital IDs will be as common as those trendy accessories. And honestly, I am here for it. This is the kind of innovation that makes travel smoother and more enjoyable. It's convenient, it's secure, and it makes you feel like a super spy, which is always a plus in my book. So get ready to embrace the future of travel with open arms. All right, let's talk baggage, because we all know this is where things can get a little tricky. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, understanding baggage rules is crucial. Listen, airlines are cracking down on carry-on luggage in 2025. The new regulations are stricter than ever before. And by cracking down, I mean they're basically bringing out the measuring tape and the luggage scale. No more sneaking by with oversized bags. We're talking stricter bag sizes and weight limits, people. Every inch and every pound counts. Gone are the days of stuffing your entire life into a carry-on and hoping for the best. You need to be strategic now. Now, I know this might seem like a total buzzkill, especially if you're a master packer like me. I can fit a whole week's worth of outfits into a tote bag. Don't test me, but trust me, it's for the best. It saves you from last-minute stress. The last thing you want is to get to the gate and have to pay some ridiculous fee for an oversized bag. Those fees can be outrageous. So how do you avoid becoming that person? The one frantically repacking at the gate? Easy. Before you even think about packing, head to your airline's website and check their baggage policy. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. Seriously, it takes like 2 minutes, and it could save you a whole lot of stress and money in the long run. A little preparation goes a long way. And hey, if all else fails, just wear all your clothes on the plane. It might not be the most comfortable, but it works in a pinch. It's a fashion statement. Okay, maybe not, but desperate times call for desperate measures, right? So, pack smart and travel light. So there you have it, folks. The lowdown on all the TSA changes coming your way in 2025. I know it seems like a lot, but honestly, it's all manageable. Just do yourself a favor and be prepared. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way when it comes to travel. And hey, at least we have something to look forward to with those futuristic MDLs, right? Now go forth and travel smart, my friends. And don't forget to share your best travel tips in the comments below. TSA rules are changing, but with a little preparation, you'll breeze through your next trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grace Meets Globe for more travel tips and updates.